Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So I'm going to be talking to you about Pearlessence Coconut Water Hydrating Spray, or Hydrating Face Mist to be exact. This is just, a great hydrating spray for a very, very inexpensive price. I spend a lot of time in the sun, a lot of time outdoors, a lot of time at the beach, and so that means my skin can get super dry super fast. And I would say maybe like a year ago, I started using mainly just coconut products, especially like on my skin and on my hair. For some reason, it just does something, really, really nice. It soothes my skin, rejuvenates my skin, makes it really soft, and it just feels healthy and natural, and I really like it. And so, I figured I'd like to get like a face mist, face spray, like specific for my face when it gets dry. And this is the one thing I found, and I really, really, really dig it. And I dig that it is really, really cheap for, what it is, which is nice. So the ingredients in this thing, fairly simple. Coconut water, glycerin, aloe, witch hazel, and I think rose water, I believe. Very, very simple, very natural. All of that stuff that I just mentioned is great for your skin. And just great for rejuvenating, great for revitalizing. And all that jazz. I like that that's a kind of a natural, organic sort of thing. The packaging is the one thing that kind of actually drew me to it, to feel this bottle. So as you can see, it's 8 fluid ounces, which is quite a bit. You can stretch that out. It's a nice small bottle. It's made of like glass, or just like a really hard plastic. I'm pretty sure it's glass though. But that's kind of cool because it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like that cheap, like flimsy plastic kind of stuff, which is really, really nice. Spray nozzle works really well. It doesn't get jammed, doesn't stick or anything. Sprays out a really nice amount, never like too much. Cool. And then I also really dig this label right here on the front. The label is actually kind of what drew me to this face mist. It's a really simple, really clean, minimal style thing. I think that's just big in a lot of, especially like health products now, having that minimal look to it. So, it's nice. You can, with some products and stuff that you have like this, like, you don't really like to leave them out in your bathroom, understandably, just because, so many people, especially if you have a lot of people over to your house, so many people are walking in and out of your bathroom. So it's nice that you can just leave this, sitting on the counter or whatever, and it just looks really nice. It doesn't look like out of place. It's very, very minimal, very, very inconspicuous, which I think is just perfect for bathroom stuff like that. Yeah, as for like in use, typically I'll use this like right before I go to bed, usually because I like to, get a little bit on there, and it does make your face a little bit shiny. So, if you're going out and you don't want to have that kind of like shiny, wet look to your face, then, I wouldn't use this. It's not too bad. It's not like it's greasy or anything, but it just does give it that sort of look. So I kind of like to put it on right before I go to bed. I think it just makes your skin feel nice and soft, and it kind of soaks throughout the night, and in the morning you wake up feeling really good. So pretty much just when I use it, and you get a really nice natural coconut scent when you spray it on your face. It's nothing over the top, very, very, very nice natural smell. Doesn't smell like chemicals or anything. And other than that, it's really just like a simple, nice, easy bottle. I highly, highly recommend this to anyone that's looking for a good face mist spray or something just to rejuvenate their skin, especially after long periods in the sun. Coconut, products are awesome, and this little inexpensive bottle is really great for that kind of stuff. All right, guys, stay hydrated, keep your skin healthy, and Pearlessence Coconut Water, hydrating face mist all the way. All right, take it easy, y'all. Bye.